Here is a step-by-step detailed solution on how to fix the wrong code. Please try again. Error in Telegram. 1. Make sure that you are entering the correct code. The code should be a 6-digit number that was sent to your phone number or email address. 2. Try restarting your device. This can sometimes fix minor software glitches. 3. Try requesting a new code. If you have waited several minutes and you have not received a code, you can try requesting a new code. 4. Use a different phone number or email address. If you have another phone number or email address available, you can try using that to register for Telegram. After doing all these, your problem is still not solved, then try these methods. Method 1. Check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a strong and stable internet connection. You can do this by trying to access other websites or apps on your device. If you are not able to connect to the internet, try restarting your router or modem. Method 2. Update the Telegram app. To do this, go to Play Store. Search for Telegram. Go to Telegram. If there is any update, update it. Method 3. Clear the Telegram app cache and data. This will remove any temporary files that may be causing the error. To clear the app cache and data, long press on Telegram. Then click on App Info. Then click on Force Stop. Then go to Storage Cache, click on Clear Cache and Clear Storage. Then go back. Click on Permissions. And allow all permissions. Method 4. Reinstall the Telegram app. If you have tried all of the above steps and the error is still persisting, you can try reinstalling the Telegram app. This will remove the app completely and then install it again from the App Store or Play Store. If you are still having trouble with the Telegram app, you can try contacting the Telegram support team for help. Like the video. Subscribe to TechSoar.